Today I am back with another video. Today I will review this particular product, that is STP diesel treatment injector cleaner, which I have procured from Amazon. It claims that it will clean the injector, improve the mileage, and also it will reduce the engine noise. So how to use it? You need to pour this particular liquid into the fuel tank. This is to be applied one bottle in one full tank. So I am pouring the entire liquid inside the fuel tank. So one bottle should be used for one fuel tank. So for 45 liters I will be using this particular product, and it claims after driving 30 or 40 kilometers you will feel the difference. So let's see what happens. I will top up the tank. Now I will take full tank diesel. So let's check how much diesel it consumes. So it's 32.59, so it's full tank now. Now we have set it to 00. We'll check the mileage also, and it's full tank. So far the car is giving good mileage. When we started, that the MID was showing 550 and now it's showing 608. So the mileage has increased considerably. Diesel যত ধরবে আর কি, বেশি ধরবে না. So we'll check. We have covered 100 kilometers. So we'll check how much diesel it has consumed. So it is 4.48. So for 4.48 liters of diesel, it has crossed more than 100 kilometers. So that's good mileage. So it has covered 103 kilometers in 4.5 liters of diesel. So that's a very good mileage. Let me tell you guys what is my observation after adding that particular STP diesel injector cleaner. The engine noise has subsided. The car feels more eager to take acceleration. Not only that, the acceleration is also smoother, and also I got a mileage of 22.4 kilometers, around 103 kilometers on 4.5 liters of fuel. So that's a very good mileage considering it an 8-year-old car. So I definitely recommend to use that particular STP injector cleaner. And if you find this video useful, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much and goodbye. Please subscribe.